Hello again. As I mentioned in my previous video, I said I was going to try and find a way to the beach, and I managed to walk down a few hundred metres and turn off into the beach area. It's yeah, I mean there's not too many people on the beach, and it's probably because there isn't too much shade. I mean, it's just gone 8:30 in the morning, and it's already incredibly hot. So that's what's probably keeping the tourists away, except for the ones that want to actually swim in the sea, perhaps keep cool, or if they're out on their little boats. But it's a certainly lovely sandy beach, and there's a sort of terrific views in the distance. There's plenty of tropical trees and palm trees as such, and you got the hotels near to the beach to cater for the tourists and those who are interested in going to the beach. Just taking a slow walk. Certainly no need to rush in this hot weather. I'm trying to see if I can find a little tourist place where they offer trips to nearby locations. There's they usually, on my previous times around this area, they normally have a little board with pictures of locations where they have interested tourists. So I'm seeing if I can find one of those people today to see if there's anything that sort of takes my fancy and I'd like to travel to. I think this is the one thing about this beach. I don't ever recall seeing like places where you get some shade, like natural shade for trees. I mean, having said that, I can just see some like sort of deck chair places in the distance. But I shan't be using those. But where often I try to find like places under a tree. Yeah, I'm just taking in the sights for a moment and seeing what's around. But there may be a cafe or two further down. Perhaps I can get a drink. Would I brought some water with me? Always a good idea to take some water with you. I've got sufficient. Oh, I can see another horse in the distance. And this is the same one I saw a little while ago. They look much the same really, don't they? Oh, I can hear a jet ski. Oh, there it is. You can see it in the video. Someone's doing a jet ski. Ooh. Just before I came here, I was at home wearing an overcoat and scarf. It seems such a long time now, but the holiday's gone quite quickly, really. It's I think I'll due back due, due to fly back, I think it's about a week today or 6 days or something. I have to check out the airplane ticket. So the flight's an awkward hour in the morning, 1 o'clock after midnight. But it's 12 hours going back. It was 11 hours coming here. Perhaps there's some headwind or something which slows it down. It makes it an hour longer, unless it takes a different flight path. But I should be home in about a week's time. It is actually. I think I'll land at Heathrow about 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'll wait until the rush hour of London ends and get the I don't know if it might be the Elizabeth line. No, I don't need the Elizabeth line, do I? I need to get into St Pancras, and get the train from there. Well, I'll see if I can find somewhere to sit down and have a drink, and I'll sign off now. Right, bye for now.